So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of files right here. So if you want to compress it by using the default compression method inside of Microsoft Windows 11, then what you need to do is you need to select the files right here, right click on send to and click on compress zip file, and then you have a zip file right here. But what you can also do is use, let's say for example, you can use a third-party compression applications. So one of the example is 7-zip, which I have already installed onto my computer right here. So if I were to go around and type in 7-zip right here, then you can see that 7-zip file manager is already installed. So once you install this, or if you were to install any other third-party compression applications, then what happens is that when you right-click, you might get application option right here. So in my case, you can see that I already have 7-zip as an option right here. So in other version of Windows 11, you also can click on more to get the same option. So once I go around onto 7-zip, then here you can see that I got several options provided by that third-party application. So you can click on add to 7-zip, which is the extension for that particular compression file right here, which is not natively supported by Windows 7, but it is supported by 7-zip, which is the application right here. Alternatively, what you can also do with this particular application is you can right click on choose 7-zip right here, and you can click on add to archive and then choose what you want to store this as. Let's say I want to store it as zip, and you can choose the compression level as well. So you can make it ultra so that it takes less file space, which takes in more processing speed, or you can go around and store it all together. And what you can also do is you can add in a password to the file. So you have to enter the password 2 times. So I'm just going to go around, type in some password right here, some 4-character password. And if I were to go around, press OK, then what happens is that you can see that there's this file right here. But if I were to double click, then what happens is that to access out the file, it asks me for the password. So you have to enter the password first, press OK, and then you have access to that particular file. And that is how the third-party compression softwares act out like, and you can compress out files with it inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.